Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Lydia. Have you ever considered making recyclable plastic bags? It may get a new life as eco-friendly raw materials. This bag is made from 100% recycled polythene. And they are completely recyclable too. So if you are looking for a recyclable packing option, these are a good choice. By reusing and recycling polythene packaging, the waste and the use of raw materials can be reduced. The material is relatively soft than normal bags, so we usually choose a thicker film to ensure its flatness. What's more, it feels thicker and more premium. Welcome to work with us on custom 100% recyclable plastic bags. Thank you for watching. Bye!